Okay, got to add the countertops to our cabinets now. So first thing, I'll go to Architecture, Component, and a Load Family, and countertops are under Casework, and you'll see counter worktops there. And I'm going to put in the countertops for the corners first. And I'm going to select where it says countertop L-shaped 2, and I'll say OK or open. And then I'm going to rotate this around because I'm going to put in this top corner first. And I'll hit escape a couple times to get the countertop off the thing. Now, this countertop that I just put in is too long and it's too large. I want the countertop to stop right here. So I'll do Modify, and I'll click on the Align tool. And this is the thing I want to align it to, and that's the countertop I want to align. And I'm just going to lock that one in place. Now, I'm going to do the other one. So this is the from, or to, I mean, and this is the from. And there we go. That is that first countertop, and I can lock this one too. Next up, I'm going to do this lower countertop right here. Now, this countertop is going to go from the edge right here around the corner to this base cabinet. So back to Architecture and Component and Load Family and Casework and Countertops. Actually, you know what? I don't even need to do that. I can just go right here and click on the countertop. And I'll rotate this one around so that it fits. Now go to the two edges, escape. And now I got to bring this one in. So modify and align to this. And that's the thing that needs to get aligned. And then this countertop right here is going to go to this one. And that gives me the two countertops on the corners. Oops, you know what? I goofed, because I actually want to align to here with this one. There it is. So now I've got my countertops on there, except for the sink basin. Now, let's go and tackle that. Architecture, Components, Load Family, Casework, Countertops, and Sinkhole. Here's one with a sink. Let's just make sure that that's the one we want. I don't want an L shape, I know that. Okay, countertop with sink. I'm going to say open. Oops. Let's see if I got it in here. Countertop with sink, 24-inch depth. I do. And I'll rotate that until I get to the right orientation. And I'll put this in here, escape. And then I need to, again, adjust the length of this. So this one is going to go, I'm going to go to Modify and Align. I got to go to this one, and I'm going to click on that line to move it. And that should be it. Let's see what happens now when I do my 3D view. See how it looks. Camera. I'll start from up here. I'll pull this down and pull this over, and this looks pretty good here. Okay, and then well, let's see. I wonder if the view cube thing will work here. Oh yeah, it does. Now I just rotate the view cube a little bit to see the countertop over here, and I've got it. So that's in good shape finally. I'll hit the stop.